Oh, hello. So that was so cool with the video. I haven't seen that in a breakout room, so that was great. And Valerie and I were having a good discussion, and then, as usual, right at the juicy part is when we get right out, and it was right in the middle of Valerie was about to swear, and it was like she got bleeped and just pulled right out of the room. So it was very good.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So did you both share about how you felt at the beginning of having to shift online and how you feel now?
Yes, and we both have owe a lot to you, to helping us feel confident in that, helping us along the way, just with your helpful tips and the different things that you've done for us within the various groups that we're with you in. And it's so amazing because I'm talking with my hands right now and you can't see me. But yeah, so we're both feeling much better, much stronger at it now than we were at the beginning. We are looking forward to being more in person, but recognizing this is going to be an ongoing thing regardless. We have to be able to manage both. And I'm just thankful, Patricia, that you've helped me along the way. Like even the showing me the avatar, that was because of you the other day. So thank you.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Thank you so much for sharing that.